Wait. All right, once again, this is Victory Outreach. You have here Ethan and Michael getting ready to do a swanton flip right into the snow, hopefully not into a hydrant. All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Victory Outreach Brooklyn presents the Swanton Bomb. Woo! And here it goes. Oh! One more time, Ethan. One more time, a Swanton Bomb. One more time. And the sanitation department is flipping out. That is from the home. Here's Ethan. Yeah, we're ready. Swanton Bomb, Ethan! Oh! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are, and this is Victor, head staff of the home. Lord, protect us. Oh! Right into the snow. Did you see that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're doing here live.
Brooklyn, baby.
Yeah! This is what it's all about. Men's home, making finances for the home. Here's brother Mike. And having fun at the same time. Let's keep moving! Yeah! All right, one more time. One more time. Mike. Oh! Elbow the snow. Say hi when you wait. Come on, come on. Yeah!
Yeah, baby!
All right, this is Victory Outreach Brooklyn. The guys of the Brooklyn home, they're having a good time at the same time, making money, shoveling snow. Now, this is what we're doing today. Praise the Lord. Keep us in prayer that we make some money. This is the Blizzard of 2010, December 27th. This is Frankie once again signing off.